Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Elizabeth Obasi. Alright, so I got a recent request on how to create a personalized DP flyer like this for your event. So in this video I would be showing you how exactly you can create a personalized DP flyer for your event. Alright, so as you can see, this is the personalized DP flyer I created for this particular event, and I got a lot of requests on some persons asking how they can be able to create this type of DP flyer for their event. So in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you are going to do that. So I'm going to show you how to create personalized flyers for your event. Alright, so before you do that I would show you what you are going to do to the flyers, yes, before you can use it. Alright, so here is the flyer that I designed for the personalized DP. Now, as you can see here, I added a circle where I want the image of the participant to be placed. That is this particular circle. I added it because that's where I want it to be placed. Now, one of the things you need to know is that in creating a DP flyer, you are to provide a space for where you want the images to be placed before you go ahead to upload the design in either GetDP or in Branded or whichever platform you are using. Alright, so as you can see here, I just imported this shape here and I reduced the opacity. Of course, it's white earlier, and then I reduced the opacity, and I had to bring this in and place it on top likewise. So this is where the picture of the participant is going to be displayed, and here I just had to introduce a text that shows I am attending. So basically all of this is going to be provided for in your design before you then head over to the platform where you are going to host the design for people to get access to it. So right, all this being noted, now we are going to move over to the site where we will upload the designs so that people can have access to them and generate their DP flyers. Alright, so what you need to do here is to go ahead and save this so you have it as an image in your phone. Yeah, so go ahead and save it. So we want to use it now to generate the link so that people can have access to it. So it's been saved already. Alright, so all you just need to do is to head over to your browser and just type getdp.co. getdp.co. Alright, so head over to your browser and just type getdp.co. So this is the site. I was able to get connected easily here because I already have an account. So in case you don't have an account and you are using the site for the first time, you'll be provided a space where you have to provide your email and your password. So you just do that, very simple steps, and then you have an account with them. Alright, so here is the site, and here they show you trending banners. Yeah, There's a trending banner, so telling you that okay, this is a flyer currently trending and people are generating their personalized flyers for them. So we can see a lots of flyers here already. Can see lots of flyers here already, which people are already generating their DP flyers for. Alright, so all you need to do here is to click on get started. So just input your details and then so this is the flyer I created the personalized flyer for earlier. So you just go ahead and click on create new DP banner. Yeah, so just click on create new DP banner. Alright, so yeah, this is it. Yeah, so we're just going to take this step by step. Alright, so the first thing we need to do here is to also, as you can see, we are in the step 1, which is basic information. So basic information about the event. Alright, so I'll just give it a name, the cherished cross, because I want it to have the name of the event. Alright, so description, you can just give a little description about the event. A gathering for spiritual awakening. Alright, so just this here, and let's say category. In the category, I can decide to choose I can decide to give this a movement. So, and also in the tags, then hashtag, I can use hashtag utweek. Yeah, so that's, then the next thing we need to do is you can decide to make your link accessible to the public or private, but for this particular flyer I want it to be on public. Alright, so the next thing we need to do now is to add the cover image. So just click on add cover image. Now you just have to go and introduce the flyer you created for the event. Introduce the flyer you created for the event. So right, this is it. Just click on it. Alright, so I just introduced the flyer I'm using. Yeah, so that's why you need to input the space where you want these details to be. Alright, so the next thing you need to do here is to move over to the next step. Then you have to click on next. So we have introduced the flyer. Now we are moving over to the next step. So just click on next. So the next thing you can see, we just move over to step 2, which is your set avatar location. Now this is the avatar, and here you decide if you want it to be in circle or if you want it to be a square. Now from our flyer, you would see that we actually made provision for it to be a circle. So just move this to the position where you provided for it and adjust it. Adjust the size, increase it a little bit. Make this like this. Increase this a little bit. Alright, so we fixed this avatar. So as you can see now, it is covering the part where we want the images to show. Yeah, just covering the part where we want the images to show. So as soon as the person's image shows here, you see the word I am attending just below it. So now we just have to scroll so we can see the next thing. So as soon as you fix your avatar, you click on next. So let's head over. See, the next step, which is the step 3, is the set name preference. So here you decide if you want the names of the participants to be displayed or if you don't want it to be displayed. So for this particular flyer, I just want your image, and I just want the image of the participants and this write-up I am attending. So what do I need to do? Head over to the part where you find this space. So I'm going to hide it. Yeah, so it just disappeared. When you enable it, you see it. When you hide it, it will disappear from your flyer. So I would hide that. I don't want a name on this particular GetDP. On this particular flyer, I don't want the name of the participant to be shown. So the next thing you need to do is to click on Publish Preview. So here you just see your work before you go ahead to generate the link. So let's see what we've been able to do so far. All right, so just move and see what you have. Yeah, this is it. Everything is fixed just the way I want it. So the next thing you have to do here is to click on Publish. So go ahead and click on Publish. So let's just allow it to load. All right, so we have the cherished cross. All right, so this is it. Just go down so that we can copy the link. Yeah, this is our banner. Yeah, so here is the link, and yeah, here is the link. We now have our link to get our personalized flyer. So all you need to do here is just to copy. Click on the copy icon and copy. Now you can go ahead to make the links available to people so that they can be able to access it. So you just have to go ahead and make the links available. Now, as soon as you copy the link, you can decide to share it to people, share it to the audience that you want it to be available to. So let's go over to our Google. Just input the link. So just head over to your browser, input the link, and then search. Just input the link and search so you can see how it looks like when your audience access the link. All right, so as soon as you click on the link, just paste it in your browser and then search. So this is how it's going to be whenever anyone clicks on the link. This is how it's going to be. As you can see, this is the name we provided for the event, and these are all the details. Hashtag Youth Week. All right, so here, as you can see, this is where the participants are going to upload their images. All right, so in the next video, I'm going to show you how to upload your image on the GetDP site and generate your personalized flyer. All right, for now, bye for this video. Thanks for watching. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly do so by clicking on the subscribe button and also hit the bell notification to always be notified by YouTube whenever I post a video here. All right, bye for now.